Hi everyone, welcome back to the Platinum B4 YouTube channel. If you're someone who wants to learn, grow, and actually build something meaningful in tech, you're in the right place. So today, we're going to talk about a very important and interesting topic, generative AI versus agentic AI. Now at first, this might sound like just another comparison, but trust me, this is actually about the future of AI. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand not just what these terms mean, but also where AI is heading next. Before we go deeper, let's understand why this topic is even important. Right now, AI is evolving very fast. Just a few years ago, AI was only used for basic automation. Then it started helping us with tasks. Then it started creating content, and now it is moving towards taking actions on its own. So this is not just an upgrade, this is a shift. And if you understand this shift early, you'll always stay ahead. Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically about making machines capable of thinking, learning, and making decisions like humans. For example, when YouTube recommends videos, that's AI. When Google Maps suggests the fastest route, that's AI. So AI is already part of our daily life, but the level of intelligence in AI systems is what keeps improving over time. AI didn't suddenly become powerful overnight. Initially, it was very simple, rule-based systems. It would only do what it was programmed to do. Then came machine learning, where systems started learning from data. Then came generative AI, which can create content. And now we are moving towards agentic AI, which can actually act. So AI is evolving step by step, and we are currently in a very exciting phase. Now let's talk about generative AI. This is what most of us are using today. Generative AI is designed to create content. You give it a prompt, and it gives you an output. For example, you ask ChatGPT to write something, it writes. You ask an AI tool to generate an image, it creates. So it's like a content creator, but powered by data and algorithms. Generative AI is extremely powerful when it comes to creativity and productivity. It can help you write blogs, generate ideas, design images, and even assist in coding. It saves time and helps you do things faster. That's why it's becoming so popular. But even though it looks very smart, it still has some limitations. Here's the important part. Generative AI does not act on its own. It depends completely on your input. If you don't ask, it doesn't respond. It doesn't plan tasks. It doesn't execute actions. It only gives suggestions or outputs. So you can think of it like this. It tells you what to do, but it doesn't actually do it for you. Now let's move to the next level, agentic AI. Agentic AI is not just about generating answers, it's about achieving goals. You give it a goal, and it figures out how to complete it. It plans the steps, takes actions, and works towards completing the task. So instead of just responding, it actually works independently. The biggest strength of agentic AI is autonomy. It doesn't wait for instructions at every step. Once you define the goal, it starts working towards it. It can analyze results, adjust its approach, and keep improving. So in a way, it behaves more like a smart assistant who can actually do the work. Now let's clearly compare both. Generative AI is reactive, it responds. Agentic AI is proactive, it acts. Generative AI creates content. Agentic AI completes tasks. Generative AI depends on prompts. Agentic AI focuses on goals. So this is a major shift from creation to execution. Now imagine how this impacts the real world. Today, AI helps us in small tasks like writing, designing, or coding. But with agentic AI, entire workflows can be automated. Projects can be managed. Tasks can be completed with minimal human input. So AI is moving from being a tool to becoming a partner. The future of AI is clearly moving towards autonomy. AI systems will become smarter, more independent, and more capable of handling complex tasks. This means higher productivity, but also higher competition. So understanding this early is very important. If you're a student, this is your opportunity. The future belongs to those who understand and use AI effectively. You can either be someone who just uses tools or someone who builds with them, and that choice will define your future. So to conclude, generative AI creates, agentic AI acts. Both are powerful, but agentic AI represents the next evolution. Now the real question is, do you want to just use AI or build something with it? If you want to learn more, grow, and stay ahead, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the Platinum B4 journey. We're not just learning here, we are building something bigger. Let's grow together. Let's build together. See you in the next video.